Oh, Misuse.
Oh.
Oh, shoot. Flipping hell. Oh my gosh.
Keep the headphones in.
I can't believe that just happened.
As I said, I can predict the future.
Yeah, that one's Smiths as well. And that one's SBX, and that one's Smiths, and that one's SBX there. She literally just changed her mind.
Am I gonna miss you? You know what? I'm gonna be a good person.
What can you put that as in a title?
What if I put accidental misuse?
Yeah.
Green signal.
Yeah.
We also got the A car.
Oh, there we go. It's coming.
Here comes the train. You probably won't do any trains this.
Yeah, probably when it departs. Oh, it's the first 777 to exist. 001.
Usually, it's not usually the case.
Yeah. What's departing? Oh, sorry.
It's okay, thanks. You can go and get it.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Yeah.
Wait a second. What's taking it so long?
I don't know.
Oh, I think she's trying to get on.
Oh yeah, I see someone running.
Here's the problem with station crossings. If you're going to try and get onto the other platform, but you're on that side, and this is a footbridge, you're absolutely screwed. Alright, now we're going.
Yeah, anyways.
Just waiting for her.